Hello guys and welcome to TechWolf. In this video I'm going to show you how you can download video on Android phone. And to do this, just click on your YouTube icon once you are on your Android phone, guys, and it will open YouTube in general, and you can select any video which you would like to download. For example, let's take this one, and whenever you open this video or any video at all, you will see this download button at the bottom of this video. Just click on this download button and click here on high resolution, and you can click here on try free, because to download any videos on YouTube officially, guys, you need to have a YouTube premium account, and you are able to download these videos for private watching only. Click on this try it free. It will give you a 1 month free trial to try out YouTube premium, guys, and here you create account, and once you have done this all, you can go in and you can download any video, and 1 month will be for free, guys, and for all following months will be $11.99 per month, guys. So yes, this is the only official and legal way how you can download videos for your private watching on YouTube. If you found this video useful, leave a like, share this video, subscribe to my channel if you are new, and see you in the next one.